Not even in gear. Oh god. Shit. Man, it's a nice day. Oh god. Oh, fuck. Why is this car so damn heavy? Ouch. I guess I'll wait for Dawn to come. Might as well start cleaning this up a little bit. Here, doesn't look too bad. Everything looks fine. I was expecting a little more snow and stuff in here, but it doesn't look too bad. I gotta wait for Dom to get here, and then we'll push the car into the garage because I can't do it alone. She a chunky girl. Oh, speaking of, here he comes. There's Dom. All the boys are here.
Yes.
And the pizza guy brought some pizza and breadsticks. I haven't had Little Caesars since we lived in Naperville, which was like 10 years ago. Dom smells like a homeless, like uncircumcised penis. I haven't smelled you yet. We've been in real close proximity right now because we're building a PC. we're taking his PC apart and putting my power supply in it. What do you want? We're done with the PC. Patrick's gonna roll his beater in here. Whoa. Alrighty. So now I'm gonna lift the SC up so that I can get under it and drain the coolant. Car's taking a leak. Drain the radiator. The car's lifted up in the front, so hopefully all the water that's in the engine will just kind of just stay there. Probably not though. When I take the water pump off, everything's just going to spill out. That's the new theme song. Oh shit. Come on. Okay. Now this. Look at all this room for activities.
There's space for activities.
Huh?
Space for activities.
Look at all this room for activities, bro.
So many activities! Do step class? It's making my head spin how many activities we can do.
Now, gotta do all this. Loosen this, take the belt off, and then honestly don't know what I have to take off. I'm pretty sure I have to take everything off. So this will be fun. So I'm taking the power steering out, and this hose is completely disintegrated and ripped. It's cool because it was leaking a lot. So I'm gonna replace that one. Probably gonna replace all of the power steering lines because they're all rusty and trashed. So we have a new high pressure line that we installed last summer. So might as well put in the new low pressure lines as well. And those are just like fuel lines, or not fuel lines, but like just big hoses. Power steering reservoir is out. Gonna do the power steering pump now.
Oh, my thumb. That was dumb.
Yeah, things are getting heated in the garage. So I've been trying to take the power. I took the alternator out already. I'm trying to take the power steering pump off, and I took these two bolts off that were underneath it. I took this bolt off that was in here. I had to go through the hole, through the pulley hole, and it's still on there. I don't know what I need to do to get it off.
Is there supposed to be this much fuel on these sensors?
There's fuel on them?
It's soaked in it.
When's the last time you changed spark plugs?
Never.
You should change
That
your
was what I
spark
was gonna
plugs.
do next, yeah.
You should change your spark plugs.
Yeah.
Okay, shut up. Why? Stop singing. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Alright, got the power steering pump on. I'm going to keep it here because I'm going to rebuild it. So, there were 2 bolts underneath it, and then 2 bolts in front of it right here. So that's how you take the power steering pump off. And now you know, okay? Shut the fuck up, man. This is going pretty quick, actually. So I got the whole ignition system off. You see the cam gears, and as I was poking around, I realized look how loose the belt is. So I think the tensioner gave out, because look at this. This is like floppy. So no wonder it skipped 180 degrees. It's going pretty decent. So I'm just going to take the tensioner off here, and then this plastic stuff, and then crank bolt. How's it going for you?
Going pretty fast.
Yeah. You put the O2 spacers in?
Yeah, little spacers.
Yeah.
Little emissions cheat right there.
Yeah.
Pretty fun.
It's not cheating. It's totally legal, just like throwing car batteries in the ocean. It's totally legal and a complete thrill.
Fuck the whales
Yeah.
and the snails.
Yeah, the whale hunting is for research.
Yeah, to see if harpoons can actually hurt them.
Yeah. Japan knows what it's doing, don't question it.
Yeah, don't ever. If they
I mean, they build these cars, you really think that hunting whales is that bad?
I mean, they made Nintendo.
Exactly. Mario.
Do you have a ratchet?
Oh my god, my back hurts. Alright, let's keep going on this. Sorry I'm not like filming it, it's just annoying. Alright, we've made it to the final stage. Got a pipe, we got a breaker bar, and we're gonna crank the engine. We're gonna see what happens. I'm scared right now.
As am I.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
What happened?
That threw it. That didn't even.
Oh shit!
Yeah. What fell off just now?
The pipe, and it's up against the rail.
Yeah.
That didn't work.
No. Oh
Whoa,
dear God!
shit.
Holy shit!
Grounded that out a little bit. Should we put up against the rail? How did that just like... Alright, let's try it again.
I'm gonna get out of the way.
Round 2.
Oh shit!
Ready?
I'm scared, man. Can we put something on top of it to catch it at least? Here we go. You know, it's gonna catch something.
Okay, here we go. Come on.
Oh. Alright, do it. Oh.
Did you get loose?
It's loose again.
What?
It's loose again. I don't know if it
loosening the
cracked.
Huh?
I don't know if it loosened the bolt.
You think so? I think it came loose.
You think?
Well, did it?
It just slapped and then it fell.
Yay!
It did?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh yeah, that works. Good thing I have a cooking pan in my garage. Look at this fatty, dude. It's a pretty hefty boy. I want to find some bolts to stick in those holes, and I'll be right back. I got the crank off. It's pretty easy, actually. I didn't even need a tool. All I did was I got an M8. I don't know if it's 125 or 1 bolt. Screws right into the crank. These are threaded holes. This ruins this cover, makes a hole in it, and then, yeah, that's it. So now, we can finish taking the pulleys off and all that shit. First, we're going to do the tensioner, which is probably not working anymore. So we'll do the tensioner, pull the belt off, time the cams, and remove the water pump and all that. I think the water pump is actually behind here, so some of this stuff will have to come off. So, but that's fine. We'll just get to it when we get to it. Alright, so we're at the last step. Taking the water pump off. At least I think we are. Hey. Probably.
It's leaking.
Yep, that was probably all we needed. Yep, there it goes.
That'll do it. You might want to move it a bit. Oh, look at that beautiful man-made waterfall.
That's pretty if you ask me.
Some say they only come once every 80,000 miles.
Put a gerbil in your ass through a tube. Oh, there we go. That works. You ready? Nope, that's a bad angle. To see the goods, what does that shape remind you of? Look at that. I don't think this has ever been replaced. It looks like OEM gasket application. Right? This doesn't look like it's ever been replaced. What do you think?
Now I see the dicks.
Right?
That's what I'm saying.
But like,
All I
this
see
looks like it was OEM, right? Like this right here. Like, I don't think any schlub could do that clean of a gasket application. Right?
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
How many miles does it have?
186,000.
Okay, then I don't need to replace mine. We're good. Well, I guess there's a lot of steps you have to take to replace the water pump as opposed to a timing belt.
Well, actually, yeah, the timing belt's way less steps.
Like, this took another hour easily of just,
Yeah.
taking shit off.
Yeah. This is way less than the timing belt. Timing belt's literally...
It's
I was
honestly
done
like a
with it.
serpentine belt.
I was done like a 40-minute...
Yeah, it was pretty much the same work as a serpentine belt, so...
Yeah, so this is going in my aluminum casting pile.
You're gonna make, like, an aluminum dildo? Or, like...
Exactly.
Whoa.
Super
I mean,
stiff.
it would, only be so fitting.
Yeah.
Alright, what thingamabob do we take off next?
I think we're done.
No,
I gotta put the bolts back in this oil cover.
you have absolutely 0 parts for this right now.
I have 0 parts. That light is way too
Sir,
bright.
have you been drinking tonight?
I actually have. I had a Corona and a White Claw, but it's gone now. No evidence. Alright, so... That's gonna be it for this one, probably, right? That's gonna be it for this one. Dude, stop with the... Holy shit, man. That's gonna be it for this one. That's part 1 of how to change a timing belt and water pump. My water pump was leaking. My timing belt was loose. I don't know if I showed it. I think I did, right? I think I filmed it.
Yeah.
Timing belt was completely flopping around. The tensioner was like loose.
Jiggle. Waggle,
Yeah,
waggle.
no tension at all, so that's why it skipped. Thank you for watching, Ding Dongs. All our Ding Dongs come together and watch.
Ding dong. Ding bong. Ding dong.
Cool.
Ding dong. Ding
We're
dong.
done here.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Thanks for watching, Ding Dongs. See you on the next one when we put this back together, actually. Maybe. Hopefully it works.